Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Sonic, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your time and date. So first make sure vehicle's on, and then make sure your screen is powered on. And from your home menu here, we can do settings, and then time and date on top. And then here you can switch to like military time or your standard. You can change the format for how you want it displayed. Here you can change the time now, up or down, and it just you go through all of these settings. You can change the date if you want, the month, and it says here month, the day, year, up or down as needed. And then when you finish changing all these, you can hit OK, and it'll just save it automatically. You could just auto sync it with the GPS if you'd like, and sometimes that might not work properly, so you make for the manual settings. And yeah, again, if you want to display different month of year first, those sorts of things. But I hope this was all helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.